what's up? I'm walking home, minding my own business, right? So, I am an animal lover, I care about animals very much, and kind of found something. So, I will show you what I found after this intro. So, guys, I'm on the streets walking home. While I was walking the streets, I found him. And originally I bought these for Rin, but it looks like he didn't get fed for a while. I had to give him something because what he been eating was that tissue thing, and I kind of felt bad, so I felt like someone was abandoning him. Oh, sorry, sweetheart. So I've been feeding him like a couple of these, but you see how hungry he is? I don't want to leave him. I want to give him one more, but I wanted to give these to him. So I give him one more and the rest for him. It's getting kind of late. Hey, baby, don't eat that. Here. Eat that. Looks like... Who the heck will abandon a dog? I want to freaking know that. Look how cute. Love you, sweetheart. Oh, this is so sad.